Hey everyone, if you look around your daily life, you probably don't see a marching army of robots folding your laundry or running errands. Most of us still picture robots as these stiff, clunky machines in some massive factory welding metal or assembling cars. But something subtle and honestly pretty dramatic is happening right under our noses. The next generation of robotics is slipping out of those industrial spaces and into our everyday world way faster than anyone expected. If you caught any news from the recent CES Tech Expo, you know what I'm talking about. The show floor felt less like a trade show and more like a sneak peek into a world where robots casually navigate living rooms, hotel lobbies, and even your local corner store. This isn't the cold, mechanical robotics of a decade ago. These were machines that watched, responded, and sometimes moved almost like a slightly awkward coworker. It's one thing to see an industrial robot on a factory line. It's a whole different experience to watch a personal robot hand someone a towel or comfort an anxious patient in a hospital. So, what's the big change? We're moving from specialized robots to general-purpose robots. These aren't the single-task machines that just assemble one thing or follow a black line on the floor. These new robots are built to operate in messy, unpredictable environments. Basically, anywhere we humans exist. Imagine a robot that can wipe down tables in a cafe, carry groceries inside for someone recovering from surgery, or even step in as a retail assistant when a store is short-staffed on a busy Saturday. They can see their surroundings, figure things out, and adjust on the fly. At CES, we saw prototypes that were unsettlingly competent. One robot showed how it could recognize when an elderly person was struggling to stand up, offer help, and alert a caregiver if needed. Another acted like a roaming host in a hotel, guiding guests around without bumping into suitcases or wandering kids. You don't need a wild imagination to see where this is all going. The field of robotics isn't just inching toward the mainstream anymore, it's taking a giant leap. This quiet shift is suddenly becoming very hard to ignore, and it's reshaping our future right before our eyes. What do you think about having a robot helper at home or work? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into our tech-driven future.